Okay guys, let's talk about algebra and more in detail. So algebra in a whole, some students like algebra like, calculation, computation, which is easy to see, solving equation and so on, right? Graphing and so on, right? But when it comes to application problem, right? Many students have this metaphobia. They just can't function, okay? So over the years, I have seen those, I have encountered those students actually, okay? So again, you have to set your mindset has to be strong, and you have to reread it until you know what question is asking. Okay, so once you understood what question is asking, label it, and is there any information is given in this problem, also note it down. Okay, so then of course this is called devising a plan. Then you carry out the plan, and then of course once you carry out the plan, you recheck it, which is optional. Okay, so let's actually find out what is given in this problem. Okay, so if I read this problem, I clearly see that a car and a motorbike are priced at, so seems like this is combined, a car and a motorbike, combined price is that is combined price. Okay, $112,400. If the value of the car is, so seems like something we know about the car is known, not directly maybe, right? But some sort of information is given for car, is 4 times the value of the motorbike. Wait a minute, do we know the motorbike? This is not known, it's called unknown. That's unknown. Motorbike is unknown. So once you can figure out motorbike is unknown, just write it down on the left side. Let motorbike equal to x. Right away you declare the variable. Okay, motorbike equal x. Then of course car is equal to, look, they said car is 4 times, I'm going to actually bring it here, 4 times x. So we're going to put down 4x. Okay, 4x. So this is the main important information we need. Now they're saying that together a car, let's have this plan here. Okay, let's have this here. Let's say together a car plus bike equal to, how much it cost? $112,400. Okay, so all you can do is just substitute it. Look, information is given, so car is how much is given on the left side. I can actually narrow it down. That is the car, as you see, and that is the motorbike. So all you do is just plug it in here, right? So this one is also, you just plug it in and bring it down. So let's see you can do that or not. So car is 4x plus bike is x equal to, bring down, $112,400. Okay, so now we're going to combine like term. Look at this here, we combine this. Okay, so once we combine, we see 5x equal to 112,400, and of course we divide by 5, both sides we divide by 5. 5 get cancelled out, you really have x equal to, now you work it out, it should give you $22,480. That is for what? That is for bike. Why is bike? Let me actually arrow it down for you guys with the pencil. So this one is x. Well, I can actually do this one so you can clearly see it later. That's for x. But question doesn't ask you that. Question asks you what? How much car worth? That's what question asking. How much car is worth, right? So car is here. Well, on the left side, as you see, the car worth. You just bring it down. Okay. So car is equal to 4 times 22,480. that would give you $89,920. That is what question is asking, guys. This is what we are looking for. This problem is asking. That's our answer. Okay, that's how we do this. So anytime any problem comes up like this setting, right, you know you can deal with it. Okay, you just have to read it carefully, and the more practice you do, the more methophobia is going to go away from you, and you're going to get smarter day by day in the math. Okay, so let's take a look on this one here. Okay, so again, same strategy. Okay, down here also, a furniture shop produces how many types? Two types. Let's do this. Two types. Two types of custom-made chairs. If price of one type, here you go, chair, that is known. One type is known. One type is what? Three times the price of other. Here you go. That's the unknown. We don't know. That's unknown. That is question mark. Okay, that is not known. Other. So once we can figure out other, let other is equal to x. One type. Write down one type or other type. One, or just, yeah, write down type. Whatever the question asking you. So one type is equal to 3 times. I'm going to actually put down here 3 times x. Okay, that's it. This is basically the starting point. Some of you can maybe say, you, as soon as you actually translate this, you are done almost on the middle. Okay, so then what do you have to do? They say two types of the total price, two types, both of them is total is 6,200. So one type plus other type is equal to 6,200. Guys, once you can do this, right, you just substitute it. So what is one type? Is x, no, it's 3x. As you clearly see, that's a 3x. And what is the other type? Is down here. Plus x is equal to 6,200. Okay, clearly you see 6,200, right? Now, of course, again, every class, I said basically what? You have to combine. How do you combine? There is invisible one here, okay? So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4x equal to 6,200. And obviously we're going to divide by 4, cancel out. You do have x is equal to $1,550. Okay, $1,550. Now, they ask for, what question is asking? They ask for each share. Okay, so let's take a look here. The price of each share. That is what question was asking. Each share. So we are going to actually look into on the left side here. So the other is x equal to $1,550. And one type is 3 times 1,550, and clearly it's going to be $4,650. And that is how we deal with this kind of problem. So this is one of the answer, that's another answer. Okay guys, so again, both problem is basically similar, and that's how we approach. And there's many other ways. Just in this video I just show you this approach, and this is easy to understand actually. Okay, once you practice, you know, you can easily get it. Thank you.